Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on forgetting Bluetooth devices on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Tap Bluetooth devices at the bottom of the page. Tap the device that you would like to forget. Then tap Forget. That Bluetooth device has now been forgotten on your Kindle. You will have to repair it to connect it again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.